Starting.
Another example of using the distributive property when the variables are on both sides is when there's actually two distributive properties, one on each side of the equal sign. Again, your first step is going to be to distribute that number that is in front of the parentheses. So we would multiply 5 times x to get 5x, 5 times 2 to get 10, and because there's an addition sign here, we would put an addition sign there. Then on this side of the equation, we would distribute the 3. And we would go 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 8 is 24. And because there's an addition sign here, we would put an addition sign there. And our equal sign is in between. So once we've used the distributive property, we now have an equation in which the variables are on each side. And so we want to move this variable onto this side. And we want to move this number onto that side. So we would start by subtracting 3x on each side to get the variables together. The 5x minus 3x is 2x. We have our plus 10 equals the 3x minus the 3x, eliminate each other, and we're left with 24. Our next step then would be to move the 10 from this side to this side. So the opposite of plus 10 would be minus 10. So we subtract 10 from each side. A plus 10 and a minus 10 makes 0, so they get eliminated from the problem. We are left with 2x equals, and then our 24 minus 10 is 14. Our final step then would be to divide by 2. So we divide each side by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we're left with 1x equals 7.